I think it's time for a shopping trip.
Can I come with you?
Of course you can.
Yay! Let's go!
Let's make a shopping list first.
Good idea.
What do we need?
We need milk.
And we need some eggs.
Do we need fruit?
Yes, let's buy some apples and bananas.
Can we get some strawberries too?
Sure.
I love strawberries.
I think we're ready.
We're almost out of milk.
Yes, we definitely need more.
There's only a little juice left.
Then we'll buy some juice too.
What about cheese?
Good thinking, Mia.
Let's put cheese on the list.
Done! Is everyone ready?
Is everyone ready?
I'm ready.
Don't forget your jacket.
Oh, right.
And take your little bag.
Got it.
Let's go!
Supermarket, here we come. The weather is beautiful today.
Yes, it is.
It's a perfect day for shopping.
I hope the supermarket isn't too busy.
We'll see.
Stay close to us, Mia.
Okay, Mommy.
Mia, climb in carefully.
Okay, Daddy.
Are you comfortable?
Yes.
Seatbelt?
Buckled.
Great job.
Let's go shopping!
Daddy, are we almost there?
Almost.
I can see the supermarket.
You're right.
We'll be there in a minute.
I'm excited.
What do you want to buy first?
Fruit. Wow, it's huge.
Yes, it is.
Let's get a shopping cart.
Can I push it?
You can help, Daddy.
Here we go.
I'm ready.
Let's stick to our list.
Okay.
Ready to push?
Yes.
Slowly.
Okay.
Don't run with the cart.
I won't.
Good job.
Where should we go first?
The fruit section. Look at these apples.
They look fresh.
Which ones should we get?
Those red ones.
Good choice.
Can we get bananas too?
Of course.
And strawberries.
Let's get one box.
Thank you, Mommy.
We need some vegetables.
Which vegetables do we need?
Carrots and broccoli.
I like carrots. I like carrots.
What about broccoli?
I'm not sure.
You should try it.
Okay, let's get some. Great choice.
We need 2 bottles of milk.
I'll get them.
Can I choose the yogurt?
Sure.
I want strawberry yogurt.
That sounds good.
Don't forget the cheese.
Here it is.
Our cart is getting full. Mommy, can we get cereal?
Yes. Which one do you like?
This one.
Is that your favorite?
Yes.
Okay, we'll get one box.
Thank you.
Now our breakfast is ready. Now our breakfast is ready.
Mommy, I can't find my cereal.
Don't worry, we'll look for it.
Okay.
Let me check the next shelf. Here it is!
Really?
Yes!
Yay!
See? We found it.
Thank you, Daddy.
Let's check our list.
We have milk,
Apples and bananas.
Eggs?
got them,
Cereal?
Got it.
cheese,
Yes?
Did we forget anything?
I don't think so.
then we're ready to pay.
The cart is so full.
We bought a lot today.
But we stayed on our list.
Which checkout should we use?
Let's use this one.
Okay.
We're almost done.
Did you find everything you needed? Yes, thank you.
We did.
We found everything on our list.
That's great.
I'll pay for the groceries.
Can I help with the bags?
Of course.
I'll carry the light ones.
Thank you, Mia.
Yes, we're finished.
Good shopping, everyone.
I had fun.
Me too.
Let's take everything home.
I'm ready. Mommy, I'm a little tired.
You worked hard today.
Shopping can be tiring.
But it was fun.
What was your favorite part?
Choosing the strawberries.
I knew you'd say that.
They're my favorite.
We're home.
Finally.
Let's bring the groceries inside.
I'll help.
Be careful with that bag.
I will.
Thank you, sweetheart.
You're welcome.
Let's put everything away.
I'll put the fruit here.
Where should I put the cereal?
In the pantry.
Everything looks so organized.
That's because
We work together.
Teamwork makes everything easier. I like teamwork.
Would you like some strawberries?
Yes, please.
you waited all day for those.
I did.
Are they good?
They're delicious.
I'm glad you like them.
Shopping was fun today.
I'm happy you enjoyed it.
We got everything we needed.
Yes, we did.
And we had fun.
That's the best part.
What did you learn today?
I learned how to make a shopping list.
And?
I learned how to choose fruit.
And you helped carry the groceries?
I like helping my family.
We love having your help.
We love you, Mia.
I love you too. Mommy, Daddy,
Yes, Mia?
can we go shopping again next week?
Maybe.
We'll see.
Yay!